Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a sweet recipe which has just 2 ingredients. So let's see how to make this Badam Katli, or also we can call it as almond bites. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and notifications from our channel, which is completely free. First we need to soak the almonds and peel out the skin. So here I am using 1 cup of almond and I am soaking this in hot water, and once it is soaked for a couple of hours, you can easily peel off the skin like this. Now you have to take off the excess water from the almonds. You can just pat dry it on a tissue paper. Now grind these almonds into powder, but don't grind it too much or it may extract oil. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Add 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water into a pan and bring it to boil. Once it starts to boil, add in some ghee, cardamom powder and some saffron strands and boil it. Now you should boil it till it reaches the 1 string consistency. Now add the almond powder into the sugar syrup and mix it continuously. And while mixing, try to break all the lumps. And you should cook till the entire dough comes together and start to separate from the pan. Now apply some ghee in a butter paper. Now add this entire thing onto the butter paper and slowly knead it with the help of a spatula. And this process will help to reduce the heat from the mixture. And as you can see, when it starts to cool down, the texture of the mixture changes and it will come to a consistency where you can roll out easily. So place a greased butter paper on top of it and roll out using a rolling pin. You can roll it out into the desired thickness of your sweet. And once it completely cools down and when it becomes stiff, you can cut this into any shapes. And there it is, our super easy, just 2 ingredient Badam Katli is ready. Very quickly you can make this on any occasions and share it with your friends and family. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo and get subscribed. Watch more unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.